Good evening everyone. My name is Anisha Thmiya. I read in Government Girls Secondary School, Karnashrigal, Jammu. My today topic is role of Subhash Chandra Bose in freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack. His father Jakinath Bose was an eminent lawyer. He was born in a well-to-do family. He received his education in good school. He was very brilliant from his childhood. He had been a top-ranking student throughout his academic career. Since his early childhood, Subhash Chandra Bose never got along with the other British boys of his class. The childhood antipathy for the British later turned him to take a vow to turn the British out of the country at a very early age. He appeared at the ICS examination and cleared it, but he did not pursue his career in civil service. He wanted her to see the plight of his countrymen at the hand of the British. He wanted to make his country free from the British rule. To turn his desire into reality, he joined the Indian National Congress. Bose was a very active participant in the activity of Indian National Congress. He faced many difficulties and hardships for the cause of his countrymen. He was put behind the bar many times. He was an extremist leader. He did not believe in the peaceful method of Gandhiji. He became Indian National Congress president in 1936. He called the people of India to take arms against the British, but he soon resigned from the presidentship of Congress because he felt that Gandhiji objected to his approach of gaining freedom. He, for, founded the Forward Bloc in 1940. He organized the people of India under the banners of Forward Bloc and started a violent struggle against the British. Within no time, he became popular among the masses. His growing popularity was a cause of concern for the British. To crush this, he was arrested and put to jail. Even in jail, the cause of freedom kept him active. He made contact with friends and tried to influence public opinion. During his imprisonment, he felt seriously ill. He had to go to Europe for treatment. When he back to India, he was again arrested. He went on hunger strike. Fearing this death, he was put under house arrest. He was arrested to see his country free from prison rule. He, however, managed a country free from prison rule. He to escape Brilliant and then Singapore in Singapore. He formed the Indian National Army and his clarion call, "Give me blood and I will live freedom," encouraged many Indians to join the Indian National Army. A large number of people joined him when he gave call to Delhi Chalo. Thank you.